Hello, welcome to new tutorial. Hello, while the topic about how to generate a slow formula using SPSS. So, mugwije and multiple regression. How do you use it in the practical term? Example, do you use that? You let's say movie ka gym. Walk a gym can they wait and cool lift. That's you to a cook how much does going to gym predict how much weight indeed lift? Care how much time they are market it, how much detail in shape. So that's the application of multiple regression. So we take a independent variable predicting the dependent variable, right? So and then in that case, the independent variable would be going to the gym, and then the the dependent variable would be like the weight you lift or how much time you run, right? So that's the application of the slope formula. Here running a multiple regression on SPSS. So again, got the formula man y equal mx plus b. So the b is the y-intercept, and then the m is the slope, right? The slope formula, and then the y is the dependent variable, right? So with that, let's go ahead and see how we can generate that on SPSS, right? So to do that, let's switch to our SPSS mode. So you can see these are the data that I collect already. So to run an SPSS multiple regression analysis, analyze, and Walker regression, linear regression, right? Then we can check a formula T before but you can move them. So for this one, we use the AGICTP as the dependent variable, right? So we'll move it over here. And then we'll use these two as the independent variable. And then we'll move them to independent variable box, all right? Then now it's set. We run the analysis, right? So, but you know, page a man, and then what thing you want to pay attention to, a model summary, and a coefficient table. So with model summary, you want this number, adjusted R squared. We just show how much does the independent variable predict the dependent variable. So no matter time is showing that it's about 42% of the dependent variable being predicted by the independent variable. Right? And then Mukuk work how to develop the formula. So you're gonna learn y equal mx plus b. So y, but y then dependent variable, and then m is are these two numbers. All right. So for example, with NP, it would be y equal 1 plus 170 x plus the y-intercept, which is 17.794. Right? And then for CP, it would be y equal 0.215 plus or 0.215x plus 17.94 or 794. Okay? So the number go for the formula right? These two numbers and then the y-intercept. So again, that's again where you can find the slope formula information SPSS